guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the half up half down look with the frontal lace wig. So I already laid down my edges and whatnot and installed my hair and everything, so let's get started. I have to zoom in a little bit. I feel like I was too far away from you guys. So first we're gonna part it up, section off the hair, to which part I want it to be. I got this hair from Aloe Vera collection. Will be linked down it below. I obviously want the bottom part to be like fuller too, but I also like the top to be full as well, and not just thin. I think the top, yeah, the frontal is 20-inch frontal, and the hair is 222 and 224, I believe. That's how much I use. So I use 4 bundles and a frontal. And this hair is so full, you guys. Like, I even ran out of space to put hair. Like, I found space to put hair. Like, I had to. I'm not one to sew under. Excuse me. Like underneath, under the wig, like around the perimeters. I'm not one to do that, but I had to do that because there was so much hair. So I'm going to use my Aloe Vera Gel. This is a regular brush. I remember back in the day we used to use these brushes on our edges. Why? On like our natural like hair edges. Like, why? Like these brushes are the devil. Like, they are the devil, bruh. These brushes are not what it is, but they're so sharp. So I'm just brushing it like so. To clean up my hair. And I'm going to take this little piece, leave it out in the back. I usually like take it in the back. Now just bring it forward, a little piece to like cover up the rubber band. And also, like, this will like bring a more like dramatic effect to your top knot. Well, it's not a knot. It's a half down, half up. You know what I mean? Tuck it in. Yes, I look like Queen of Sheba. Yes. Ooh, girl, you are so far, girl. So now I'm going to use my wand. I got this wand from, yet again, Amazon. I've had this wand, not this exact one, but I had one from when I was in undergrad. This was like a lifesaver. Like, one of my old friends put me on to this. Yeah, old friend, she put me onto this. Amazon had it for like $16.99. My little sisters and them stole the other one, so I had to buy me another one. Split it in half, so I know. This is where it's going. This is the tedious part of it all. Taking time to wand. Yeah, so it's like starting from the bottom, so I know I'm working my way up. So I just wand. You can like change up how you're wanding the hair. I wand away. Okay, you know what? Let me do this again. You know what? It'll be easier to do this. So I'm just wanding. Well, you gotta be careful when you're using this though. It will burn your finger. Like, in a heartbeat. Like, it will burn. I like taking a little small section. I don't like taking big chunks because the curl will be more defined if you use smaller sections instead of big chunks. So you shouldn't do this if you're in a hurry to go somewhere. I don't recommend that. I don't recommend it at all. Like little chunky pieces. Little chunky pieces. So I finished curling the bottom. Now it's left with the top. So on the top, I'm gonna do like loose curls, not nothing like tight, just like loose, because you don't want the top part to be, since it's shorter, I don't want the curls to be too tight and then it's gonna be all bunched up at the top. So I'm gonna do loose curls too. Yeah, see that? We're not doing no tight curls over here. So like I spread the hair out more instead of like wrapping it tighter together. Spread it out a little bit more to make some loose curls. Hey, hey now. Oh, girl. Need some cute curls over her. So I'm done curling it. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna get my pencil, my comb. I'm just going to, you know, brush out the curls, make them look cuter, more voluptuous. Oh, girl, I like your hair, girl. You look so cute. Oh. This creates more volume, you know, more volume, makes your curls look bigger. And that's it.